In this video, we'll show you how to buy an OXeSIM eSIM on iPhone step by step. Follow along carefully, and by the end, your eSIM will be ready inside your OXeSIM account. Step 1. Open the App Store on your iPhone and search for OXeSIM. Make sure you are downloading the official OXeSIM app, then tap Get. Once the app is installed, open it, and you're ready to choose your destination. Step 2. Now choose where you're traveling. You can search for your destination simply by typing the country name in the search bar. You can also choose between local, regional, or global plans. A local eSIM works in one country only. For example, if you are only traveling to Canada, you can choose Canada as a local plan. A regional eSIM is better when you are visiting multiple countries in the same region. For example, if you are traveling through Germany, France, and Italy, you do not need to buy 3 separate eSIMs. You can choose Europe as one regional eSIM. A global eSIM is for bigger trips across different regions. For example, if you are traveling through Middle East, Europe, and Asia, a global plan can cover many destinations with one eSIM. In this example, we're choosing Europe. Step 3. After choosing your destination, select the plan that fits your trip. Standard plans give you a set amount of data based on gigabytes. Unlimited plans give you unlimited data, subject to fair use policy. Some destinations may also offer call and text plans, but availability depends on the destination. Next, choose the duration that matches your stay. We recommend unlimited whenever available, especially for travel, because it helps reduce the risk of running out of data during your trip. For regional and global eSIMs, you can tap View Country Coverage to see exactly which countries are included. This button appears because regional and global plans cover more than one country. In this example, we're choosing unlimited, 7 days for Europe. Step 4. Once your plan is selected, tap Buy Now. You'll be taken to the checkout page to complete your purchase. Step 5. On the checkout page, first select your billing country. Next, enter your email and password. This part is important. The same email and password fields are used for both logging in and creating a new OXeSIM account. If you already have an OXeSIM account, simply enter your existing email and password, then continue checkout. After successful payment, you'll be taken directly to My eSIMs, where your new eSIM will appear. If this is your first time buying from OXeSIM, use the same fields. Enter your email, choose a strong password, and continue checkout. You do not need to create a separate account before buying. Once your payment is successful, our system will automatically create your OXeSIM account with that email. Then you'll be taken instantly to My eSIMs, where you can view your order confirmation and access your eSIM. Step 6. Choose your preferred payment method. Before paying, review your eSIM details and total to make sure everything is correct. Then read the Terms of Use and Privacy Policy. If you agree, check the box to accept them, then complete your purchase. After successful payment, your eSIM will appear instantly in your OXeSIM account under My eSIMs. From there, you can install your eSIM, view the QR code, check live usage data, and manage everything in one place. You're all set. You now know how to buy an OXeSIM eSIM on iPhone. We wish you a safe trip, smooth connection, and happy travels. Thank you for choosing OXeSIM.